You're watching Nerdosity.
Good. Goody. Okay. Now that is that. Now all you gotta do from here, make sure your shell is clicked, go to File, export this bad guy as a STL, change it to whatever you want, make sure selection only is on, and export that. Export that. Now, if you want to get fancy with your lenses, you can do this. If you don't want to get fancy, technically you've reached the end of the tutorial for the shell and stuff. But if you want to get fancy, let's get fancy. So, let's take the lenses, duplicate these just in case something goes wrong and you want to go back. Then you have a chance to go back without losing your progress. Let's save, just in case, as well. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate the lens control. But what we want to do, yeah, we want to duplicate that. Duplicate lens control. We're going to make that lens fancy, but the difference is we're going to add our solidify modifier, and we're going to do the same negative 3.5, and our offset is 0.4. Did I do 0.4 or did I do 0.5? Oof, then we got our whole mess here. Goodness me. You know what? We're just gonna use the lenses. Technically, you wanted to keep the mirror modifier on there, but maybe we'll just add a mirror modifier, and hopefully it's enough to appease the finicky soul within Blender. Alright. From here, we're going to go into edit mode, Control X. Control X. We're going to option, nope, sorry, option this, Control X, and option this, nope, option this, and Control X, just dissolving those edges. We're going to select this, and then what you can do is drag it out. Nope. Drag it out to bevel it slightly. Just makes a nice sort of like bevel look. It pulls it out slightly. It kind of makes it neat. And then you can do Shift D to crease it. Make it nice and crisp, basically. And that's how you make them fun if you want them beveled. I don't think it really works with our winged eyes because it makes it kind of look odd. But then you can add a subdivision, surface, level 2, so it smooths it out. Then then we go into our object mode, apply this, and then apply this, and you've got beveled look, smooth, and that's how you funify your lenses. As long as you don't have weird wings, as I do, it might not look so awesome as the regular ones do. But yeah, that's how you make them fancy. But for that, that's how, jeez. That's how you, okay. Whoops, well. You can do the lens fancy if you want. No, we're gonna have to do the others. And Control X. Control X. Then you click this. And, you want to do G, pull it out slightly. Maybe not on the x-axis, per se. You just pull it out this way, and do Shift-D, crease it. So you have fancy lenses, regular lenses, and your shell. And your shell. Very nice. Alright. So yeah. Now let's go back to the regular video where I'm talking about how to do the fancy lenses and other stuff. So thank you guys for letting me do that.